Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to see how we can update a small file in the repository. So the Nautilus development team has initiated a new project development establishing various Git repositories to manage each project source code. Recently, a repository named /opt/ apps.git was created. The team has provided a sample index.html the file located on the jump host under the /tmp directory. This repository has been cloned to a directory on the storage server in Stratos DC. Copy the sample file from jump host to storage server, placing it within the cloned repository at this path, and add and commit the file to the repository. Push the changes to the master branch. Alright, let's jump into a real world DevOps workflow. The Nautilus team just started a new project and they have set up a Git repo on the storage server under user src kodekloud repos apps. There's a sample index.html sitting on the jump host at /tmp. First, we'll copy that file to the storage server. We'll then move it into the Git repo folder, commit the change, and push it to the master branch. So let's break it down in the terminal. So this is the jump host. We are already in the jump host. Now what we can do is we'll just open this in a new browser so that we can view it a bit more clearly. Right, scp from /tmp index.html to the storage server. Let's check the details of a storage server. This is storage server. So we can copy this. The user is Natasha at the rate. So Natasha at the rate. Let's copy the IP address. Colon /user src kodekloud repos /apps. So here this is my storage server. So you might be using some other server. You just need to replace your username here and the IP address. Enter. Yes. So it is asking for the password. Let's copy. Permission denied. Okay. Now what we can do, the easiest way, I don't think so we have details. We can do one thing, maybe sudo. Let's add sudo here. Yes. It is now asking for the password. Let's copy. Okay, I think it's failing to copy to this directory. The better way is to copy to /tmp, and from there we can copy to the directory once we log in. Okay, it is copied. So from jump host to storage server, we just copied under /tmp directory. Now let's SSH, enter, copy the password. Alright, we have logged into storage server. Now go to /tmp. Okay, we need to copy this index.html file. Sudo cp index.html to user src kodekloud repos apps. Okay, let's check if it is copied. Cd user src kodekloud repos apps. Okay, we can see this was copied. Index.html was copied. Now we need to do the git commit and git push. Just if you do git status, add as the safe directory it is saying, just copy this and run. Okay, it was added as a safe directory. You might not see this exception if you are doing it, then you can directly proceed. But if you are seeing this exception, then you just need to run this. Now again run the git command, git status. So it is saying on branch master, your branch is up to date with origin master. It is under untracked files. Use git add file to include it in what will be committed. Nothing added to the commit, but untracked files present. Use git add to track. So git add the file name, which is index.html. Enter. Unable to create, permission denied. Just grant the permissions. Maybe we can give 755 chmod 755 index.html. Enter. Changing permissions is not permitted. You can use sudo. I think now we should be able to add git add index.html. Still permission is denied. Let's check the permissions. It has the permissions, but why it is not allowing us? So here either we need to change the root user as Natasha, or we can log in as a root and then perform the changes. Let's check if we have root privileges. Okay, sudo -i. Now we have logged in as a root user. I'm just clearing the screen for better visibility. Now again go back to the same path, src kodekloud repos apps. Okay, now do git status again. Okay, it is untracked. Now do git add index.html. Enter. Now do git status again. Now if you see changes to be committed, this is the file. The, now for committing, this is the command git commit -m. Just add the message here. You can add like added index.html so that anyone who checks the commit, they'll be able to understand by checking the commit messages. Sample page. It's done. Now check, do the git status. Now you can see nothing to commit, working tree clean. Use git push. Now git push origin. The task is to push to master. If you want to push it to any other branch, you just need to specify the branch name instead of master. For example, you want to push it to release branch, then git push origin release. Enter. It's done. Now do git status. It's a clean state because everything is there. Nothing is there to commit. Alright, so that's it for this video. If you want any other topics to be covered in Git, please comment below. Hit the like button if you like the video. Please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one. Thank you.